hope magustuhan niyo guys. And let's go! And yeah, this is the main entrance. And we have two chairs here. And yeah, we have this, our Hydrotech logo, company logo. And this is 3D with lights. And next, here is our business development manager office. And
Nasaan siya ngayon, te?
And right now, he's not here. Siguro busy din siya sa work niya. So actually, I've got a chance na itutor ko po kayo kasi dalawa lang talaga kami dito sa ngayon kasi super busy sila sa work site, guys. And next is the operation manager, and yes, again, he's outside. And our HR manager also, I think he's doing the PRO job right now. So yeah, this is it. And we have money plants over there. And we'll go to our reception. No, before that, our general manager office. Yeah. So he's also not here. So yeah, this is his office, and we have what they call this?
CCTV cam.
CCTV camera here, and all our licenses, business licenses. And when we have meeting, we used to have meeting here, and there is a terrace over there. And what else? Whiteboard when it is required for presentation.
So, yun lang.
And no, moving on, this is our reception. And Anna is sitting here, and she's our
All around.
receptionist at the same time our admin officer. And currently, right now, she's my camera woman. Camera woman. And the project engineer is sitting here, and this one is Vikan. Yeah, actually guys, before like month or March or February, March, all this weekend right now, it was occupied, but due to pandemic, so they are all sabihin na lang natin na wala ng work. So I can see that I'm one of the lucky employee na nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon. So,
Moreno lang, malakas.
Yeah, dito ako nakaupo under sa sales department. Tapos here also, but
Your best friend.
yeah, my best friend, but she resigned last month. Yeah. So this position also, this table also is vacant. So yeah, that's all guys, and hope you enjoy my office tour. That's all, and yeah, thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in my next video.
man eh. Wait. Parang blue man eh. Wait. Abrite!